Hey guys, so today I've got one of the cutest things to show you that I've had in a really long time, and that is a big box of mystery ghosts, like little blind box ghosts. So these are from a company called KikaGoods, and I do have a discount code which is LunaLily for 10% off, so I'll put that here on the screen now. But if you haven't heard of them before, they are a website that does so many different kinds of blind boxes. So there is creepy ones, there is cute ones, there is anime ones, there's fluffy ones, there's animal ones, anything that you can think of, they have it. I chose the ones that are from the Baby Ghost Bear kind of series. This is the Lovesick Lab box. They also had one which I think was called like Secret Garden, which was all garden ghosts. They had another ghost one, I can't remember what it was now, but again, it was so cute. I could hardly decide. The only reason I chose this one is just because I thought that these were the most fun to show on camera. But basically you can either just buy one, so it's a mystery and it's just a blind box, you get one of the options, or you can buy a whole box of them and you're supposed to get all of the set. So it's not like you can get 5 of the same one, you get one of each one, which is amazing if you're trying to collect them properly. I haven't opened these, so we are opening them together. This is a little pop-out top. I did try and pop it out, but it didn't really work for me, so I'm just gonna have to open the box normally. So this is what they look like. I've got 12 to open. They are all individually wrapped in a little plastic. These are from Hong Kong, so it does have a different language on them. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what all this is saying, but on the front it says Lovesick Lab Baby Ghost Bear, and then on the side here it shows you all of the different options you can get. So I have 12, which should be all of these 12. However, there is 2 kind of special mystery ones. If you get one of these rare ones, you won't get one of these ones. Hopefully that makes sense. So we're gonna see if I've got a mystery one or if I've got the normal set of 12. I am super excited. So we're just gonna open these now. So I just went and grabbed some scissors because I didn't know that they were all gonna be plastic wrapped individually. I guess it's because if you're just buying one, you want it to be nicely wrapped. So I'm not going to open all of them like this on camera because that would be boring, but I'm just going to show you what the first one looks like when you open it. Okay, so when you open it up, there's a little plastic coin looking thing on the top. Then we have 2 cards and the pouch. So we have this little card which has a QR code on it. And we've also got this card. This is kind of like a spoiler card, so if you want it to be a mystery, you wouldn't look at this card until after opening it. But it tells you which one you've opened. So this one is Love Starved, he's called. And on the back here, it's got a little scratch panel, so I guess that's what this coin is for. You would scratch off that. It gives you a little code. And then wherever this QR code is sending you, this code is for that. I'm not sure if it's a game or something, but that is a little card for it. And this is what the pouch looks like. These are really big ones. Me and my boyfriend have bought blind boxes for like creepy stuff before, and they're never usually this big. This is like a pretty substantial sized one. Again, it says Baby Ghost Bear, Lovesick Lab, now loading. It's like a little skeleton, x-ray kind of thing. And, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so we've got a little separate pouch. I love it. So this is our little Love Starved bear. So he is in kind of like a test tubey looking sort of bottle. Super detailed. Obviously he is actually in there, it's not like a picture or anything. And then we've also got this really cute little syringy dropper. It's got a little heart at the top, measuring. And this is supposed to be placed on there. So that is what that one looks like. Let me turn this down, maybe you'll be able to see him a little better. So that is the Love Starved Ghost Bear. Okay, so I'm not going to open the boxes of the rest of them on camera. I'm just going to show you them when I get them out because I don't want to bore you opening all the boxes. So the next one we have is the 3-Step Potion Ghost Bear. This one again comes in 2 little parts. So the bottom part, oh, you can't see him very good because of my ring light, but there's a little tiny pink one and a little tiny blue one. And then the top one, which sits up here, is a little green one. They have sparkly faces. There is so much detail in these. It's got a little stopper up here. So that is our 3-Step Potion Baby Ghost Bear. And that is the little card for that one. I will show you all of these together at the end. Okay, next one. This one is a huge one. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. This one is really, really heavy. And he is the Love Meter. So he's like a little scientist kind of guy. It says warning. He's got a zip on his suit at the back. And he's holding a little love meter. This one is honestly really weighty. And this is the little card for the love meter. All of these I've had so far have been the ones on the box, by the way. So none of these ones have been the rare ones so far. Next one. This one feels really light. Oh, I think this one is a glow-in-the-dark one, possibly. He is called Love is Poison. So he's joined up to this little poison bottle at the top. And that is the little card for Love is Poison. Next we have another big heavy one here. So I'm going to assume it's another, like the love meter one. Oh, this one's got an extra part. This one is so cute. They're so detailed. So this one is called Lovesick, and he has a little extra part, which is the potion kind of spilling out over his ear here. So I can click on there like that. He's kind of like a really soft touch matte texture. These, I absolutely love them so much. I don't know where I'm going to put them all, but they are so cute. And this is his little Lovesick card. It's so detailed that these little extra things can be taken on and off as well. So that is that one. Okay, next, this is the one that I love the most. This is the one that kind of made me get this whole set because I thought that this looked the cutest. So in here we have the biggest one so far, I would say, and he is a little In Case of Love Break Glass ghost. So he's like one of those little boxes that says in case of emergency break glass, and it's got like a lever in the box to stop a train or whatever. But he is In Case of Love Break Glass. This little hammer on the side does kind of move and stuff, and he's got glittery little eyes. I love him. He is 100% my favourite. And this is his little card that comes with it. These are amazing. I absolutely love this. I'm actually really excited that I got that one and I didn't get like a rare mystery one instead of that one, because I would have been really disappointed. So I'm happy I have that one now. Next we have this one. This one has an unusual name. He comes with a bit of packing peanuts. And this one, I don't really know how you would say this, but I think he's called Love 2. Kind of like CO2, but heart to. He's holding on to a little canister. So he's like a matte orange. He's got a skull and crossbones on the back. And then he's holding on to this shiny little canister here. And that is his little card. So as you can see, it's kind of like heart to or love to, with his little breathing mask on. So that is that one. Next we have this one. This one is so cute as well. He is called Farewell. So he's got a little broken heart down here in the bottom, if you can see that through the top. And he's got a little like wire on the top. So this one is Farewell. Next we have this one. So there is actually two in here. So in this one, it comes with two little sparkly like Petri dishes kind of thing. And then two of these little germy looking ghosts. So we've got one that's a heart shape and he's splodged down in the bottom there. And this one, I think he's actually supposed to be face down like this. And that is our little Petri dish ghosts, and these are called Love Lab. As you can see, he has a little tear and they're like shimmery little dishes. And that is the card for those two. Next we have this one. Oh, this one is super shiny. So he is called Love Hazard. A little waste hazard kind of garbage bin. It's all bubbling over at the top, and the little ghost that comes out is the same kind of colour as the bubbly potion in there. And that is little Love Hazard's card. That one's a really shiny one. And then we've only got two left. I absolutely love these. This has been so much fun unboxing these. Next we've got another big heavy one again. Oh, he's so cute. This is Dr. Ghost Bear, apparently. So he has a tiny little bear up on his head. He's got some little glasses on and his little suit. And he's holding some kind of like potion bottle, test tube kind of thing. Again, a really like soft touch velvety matte finish on that one. He's really heavy as well. And that is Dr. Ghost Bear. And then we've got our final one left in here. And this one is the most adorable little Frankenstein ghost bear. Bright green sparkly eyes and face, and he's got little screws through his ears, little heart here and patches, and that is Frankenstein's little card. So unfortunately I didn't get any rare ones. I did just get all of the ones that were in the set, but I absolutely love these and it was so fun opening them as well. So hopefully you guys liked this. I know it's a little bit different and this is probably a really long video too, but I am quickly gonna show you these on a table. I'm not gonna hold them all up again. I'll just show you them all together so you can see them all again. So yeah, that was everything I got from KikaGoods. I will put all of their information down below in the description in case you want to go and check them out. Don't forget to use the discount code if you want to buy anything, because obviously who doesn't want 10% off? And let me know in the comments which was your favourite, because I absolutely love these and I kind of want the garden ones, so I'm hoping that maybe I might be able to get those ones possibly at some point. But yeah, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.